Hello guys, welcome back. So today we're doing yellow band. Okay, I have this one piece of gele, so we'll be cutting off our size. Okay, first one we are going to cut off is cut out is 15 inches. Okay, 15 inches. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, 15 inches. So I'm going to cut it out. Okay, then the second one we'll be cutting out is 17 inches. We cut now 17 inches. Okay, so we'll measure 17 inches. Okay, you can see 17 inches, so we'll be cutting out 17 inches. Okay, then the third one we are going to cut out is 20 inches, so we're measuring out 20 inches. Okay, inches. Don't know if you can see it. We're cutting out 20 inches. 20. See where my hands touching? 20 inches. Okay, so we are going to cut out 20 inches. Okay, then what we will do now, we will fold this. Whatever we do, this is the 3 inches, the 3. Okay, 20, 17. Okay, so we have 20, 17 and 15. Okay, so whatever we do on one, we do on this the next two. Okay, so now what we do now is we'll fold equal size like this. So you bring the two edges to the middle. Okay, bring the two edges to the middle like this. You overlap it on each other. Okay, then you take your needle and thread. Take your needle and thread. Okay, and you join it together from the middle. Okay, run a stitch. Just watch and learn. Okay. Once you pass your thread, then tie it like this. Okay, and you run again. Okay, so same thing I will do. So now we have, okay, the 3 is ready. Okay, so what do we do next? Place this on this, place this on this. Okay. Then you take your needle and thread again. Pass it from the back to the front. Then take the next one from the back, the one that followed, okay? From the back to the front. Okay. Then the last one from the back to the front. Okay. Okay, that's it. It's one piece now. So what do? We do the same thing. Roll it on it. my headband in here. I have this piece of Autogele. So it's measuring 3 inches by 14.5. Okay, I'm using it to cover this Alice by added this elastic so it will not fall off from the client's hair. So I'm using this to cover the Alice bar. Okay, I'm using it to cover the Alice bar. Let's go. Okay, it's for us to cover the inside. Okay, watch and learn. So what we're going to do now is fold inward. So I'm using these trimmings, okay, to cover these rough edges inside. Okay, so watch and learn. Okay guys, so I finished wrapping this and this one is ready. And I'm using this trimming, okay, this gold trimming to cover this place, kind of to beautify it. Okay, how is it to beautify it? Okay, so let's go. the next for us to attach it. So we'll be using the help of our model to do this. So guys, so this is our model rocking our headband. So here comes to the end of our tutorial for today. See you again in my next video. Bye bye.